welcome back, guys, to another one of Swanee's adventures. Today we are doing another hike slash camping mission. I'm here with my friend Josh. Say hi, Josh.
Yo.
And yeah, it's been a little bit of a bumpy start. I got into a little what do you call it, car bump situation. Fucking
Deflated tire.
yeah, deflated my tire. So yeah, we've got the spare tire on, and we're gonna probably try and look for a place where we can just wipe our face down and maybe just, I don't know, not be so hot. We got a jack off of some kind lady that lent it to us, so we're just waiting for her now to come pick it up, and then we'll start with the hike slash camping trip. So we'll see you there. We are heading up these steps that are still in Kalk Bay in the residential areas. Oh, yeah, these steps are getting a bit much. It's boiling outside as well. It's like I think it's like 21 or 22 degrees today. Ugh. So we are here at the beginning of Echo Valley Trail. The plan for today is basically to hike up to the similar area of where we were last time when we did Wormslung Cave and camp, me and Victor, my friend. This time me and Josh are gonna go past Wormslung and we're gonna look for a camping area around Robin Hood Cave, which we're not gonna go into, but the actual area itself is pretty decent for camping, so we're just gonna look in that area, see if we can find anything. And yeah, the ocean over here. Ooh. It is extremely hot today. The forecast said it would be like 22, somewhere around there degrees. But this feels more like 25 plus some, you know what I mean? So we're taking a lot of breaks, making sure to drink some water, and there's something on me. Oh, making sure to drink some water and take a lot of breaks, and yeah, that's basically what we're doing. Sorry, that thing completely distracted me. So we have quickly made a stop at the watering hole here, and just getting some energy, washing up a little bit. I was overheating like crazy, so I just splashed some water on my face and body a little bit. Gonna have a little apple, and then we're gonna keep on pushing on. But yeah, it is way hotter than we thought it'd be, so we are struggling a little bit to keep the pace. And with the unexpected delay that we had with the car this morning, it pushed us back a little bit further, so the heat caught us, but it's okay. We are gonna make it up slowly but surely and set up base camp and take it from there. So yeah, man.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. But this is an incredible spot. With an incredible view. This is insane.
Yeah, me and him were literally sitting over here and thinking like, fuck, this is good, bro. We should do it, but we were like, nah. Alright. We are here by this rock structure, which is our little waypoint. taking a break, having some apples and biltong, and yeah, just chilling. We would camp here because, I mean, look at this. It is just, it's like perfect. You can see some people have had a fire here in the past, and it just goes all the way through. But, and I mean, look at the view that we would be waking up to as well. But yeah, homeless people obviously come camp here a lot, and we have some stuff to protect us, like pepper spray and knives and whatnot, but I mean, it's not something that you just want to go and test out, right? So we're gonna keep on going up, and yeah, we'll see you up a little bit further. And into the canopies we go. This is our first little bit of actual shade. Ah, nice little boardwalk here. Oh, how's that, Josh? You feel good? Yeah, we've made it, bro. This is the place to be. Look at this. Nice little area. Oh, now we just need to find the place we're going to set up camp and find some water, and then we're all good. So yeah. So we're busy looking for a camping spot. This is a very promising area. It has a lot of standing deadwood. It's under shade. There's a lot of trees, so there's not going to be wind, which was a big issue last time. Only issue is there's no water. There's not a river nearby that we can see. So we're going to keep on pushing on and see what we can find. Almost there now. Whoa!
Let's go.
Ooh. So that way goes towards Silvermine. That way is where we came from. That's Kalk Bay, over that valley. And according to this, the amphitheater is just over this ridge. So yeah. Whoop! We made it! No way! No! Oh no, guys. This is unfortunate news. So like I said, there's a lot of homeless people that live up here. And for some reason they took the damn map. You know? That sucks. But okay. It's okay, Boomslang is right here.
Well, Robin Hood.
Oh sorry, Robin Hood Cave is right here. And that's where we plan to camp, so yeah, that's unfortunate, but we'll check it out. Okay, we are still looking for a water source and a place to camp. So we've just dropped our bags off at the entrance of Robin Hood Cave while we are looking for a place. And we decided, you know, screw it, we're feeling hot and bothered. We're gonna go to a nearby waterfall and have a little shower, bath, you know, chill by the waterfall. So that's what we're gonna do. Wow, look at this little overhang. Hey, I made it, Mom. How beautiful is this, guys? Wow. It is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And I am very tired, so I hope we find this damn waterfall now. And look, we're just coming over this ridge as well. And then this opens up into the other side, which is more Chapman's Peak side. And yeah, Okops. Okops of Weg. Look at that. Beautiful. So, we have now come over that ridge behind me, which is where our bags are, and we are heading to Silvermine Waterfall, which is on not Chapman's Peak side, sorry, I meant to say Bowie's Drive, or Boys Drive, however the fuck you want to say it. But yeah, we're almost there. Waterfall is in that direction, and we should be there soon, plus minus like 5 minutes, hopefully. Here are some of our pretties. We call this proteas, and it's our national flower here in South Africa. You can see them everywhere where you see one of these little bundles that is a protea tree. We have many different species, I'm not sure how many, but the one that I just showed you is one of my favorites. Don't know the name, I'll try and find it when I'm editing, but yeah, they are part of the fynbos floral kingdom. And fynbos is only found here in South Africa. It is, I forget the word, I think endemic is the word, to South Africa. So, yeah man, can't copy us for shit. There we go. How are we feeling, Joshy?
Yeah, feeling good. I can't wait to go soak my feet.
Yeah, now that we've dropped our like 30 kilograms of weight off of our backs, it's a lot easier. Yeah, there's a antenna off in the distance. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to make it out, but there is supposedly a secret military base, underground military base, stationed in these mountains that use those antennas to send out signals and transmit data and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, it's very hush hush though, so don't tell anyone. So we took a bit of a detour. We are in what is considered the bush here, and it is very dense, not very friendly for the average hiker, so we're just making our way through. Hopefully we can find this damn waterfall. We've approached it from a different direction than what I did last time I was here, so it's a bit we're kind of playing a guessing game right now, but yeah. So we found some water. You make it, you're managing. We found some water, and we're just gonna follow this stream all the way down. I can hear the waterfall, can you? Oh, this is nice. This is good. What is going on here? Put my face in it. Probably those rocks are. Working things. We also can Yes. Oh, he's a bouncer, right? We are doing a water crossing. Really struggling to find this flippin' waterfall. Just because we came from the wrong direction. The trail that we were on spat us out way past the waterfall and into the actual river. So we found the river, now we're just walking upriver to find the waterfall. So yeah, we're not too far away now, I don't think. We made it!
Ja.
Woo! We made it, guys! I don't know if this was worth it. I'm tired, I need water. And yeah, we were very diverted from the path. So we ended up bushwhacking our way to get here, which was very tiring. So yeah, we're gonna probably not chill here very long, and then we're just gonna make our way back, set up camp and just chill, because this was now very tiring. So yeah, I'll catch you in that section of the video. And we're back. We made it to where our bags were being held. Not gonna lie, guys, that was a sketchy situation. We didn't exactly know the route from this side of the mountain to get to the waterfall, and we left all of our stuff here, and then we started having to bushwhack our way to get to the waterfall, and it took us like 4 times as long as we thought we would, so we didn't bring water, and then we were getting dehydrated, and so yeah, anyway, we made it back. We are here. We're gonna chill because that is very much necessary right now, and then we're going to slowly very slowly set up camp and just take the night easy. I'm not really gonna film much more, so yeah, guys, it's been a pretty long day, so I'm excited for nighttime. Thank you. And yeah, so some unfortunate news. This trip has brought with it a series of unfortunate events. I lost my car keys, my car's tire popped, I lost my stand for filming, like my tripod. Josh lost his keys for home and for work. We both lost our socks in the river. So yeah, we just decided with everything all inclusive, plus my phone, we didn't have any power banks, and with the keys being missing, my phone now, if it dies, it's an issue. Before, if it died, it wouldn't have been an issue because we would have been able to just drive out. But since I lost the keys, I need to get spare keys from family, and they need to Uber package it, and for that I need battery on my phone. So yeah guys, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, share, subscribe. It really will help, since this video cost me a pretty penny. And yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Josh, how was it?
Oh, let's go home, bro.
I agree, let's go home. Okay guys, this was another one of Swanee's Adventures.